Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato balls. It's very popular street food in Thailand. It looks similar to turtle egg, so we call it turtle egg cake. The texture of the outside is crunchy and the inside is moist and soft. And the taste is not so sweet. So before we start making the balls, please like and share this video, and if this is your first time, please subscribe to get further contents. Okay, let's get started. First, we have to clean the sweet potato well and then peel it off and cut it into smaller pieces. Now we are ready to transfer it to the steamer, and it takes about 20 minutes to be cooked. Sweet potato is well cooked right now, so let's start mixing the dough. First, add tapioca starch 200 grams into the mixing bowl. And then rice flour 50 grams. And then add 140 grams sugar, a pinch of salt. Mix the dry ingredients well. I will start with steamed yellow sweet potato, 500 grams. Smash it a little bit and then add the dried ingredients in. Add 90 ml coconut milk and combine it well. And please knead it until it turns to a dough. The yellow sweet potato dough is done, and you can do the same way with purple sweet potato. The amount of ingredients for making purple balls are exactly the same to the yellow ones. If you don't have enough time to fry it right away, you can keep it in the fridge and do it later. Take a spoon of dough and round it up. Make it bigger or smaller balls, depend on your favorite. Now we are ready to fry the balls, so add the cooking oil into the pot, turn on the heat, and wait until the cooking oil becomes hot. Before we add the ball into the cooking oil, we better round it up again so it can maintain the shape. When we put the ball into the pot, it will dip into the bottom of the pot, and when it well cooked, it will floating up in the cooking oil. Also, the outer part turns golden brown, so we are ready to transfer it to the strainer. It looks so good. Perfect balls. Let it cool down a little bit. Otherwise, it can burn your mouth. The inside is very hot. We have done the balls, we are ready to eat. Let's see the inside. It's moist, soft, and the outer part is crunchy. It looks yummy, it's very tasty. It is the best snack ever. It looks beautiful, it's tasty and yummy. So you can try it yourself. See you in the next video. Bye!